Hello everybody and welcome back to Tech Tutorials, and in this video we are going to be learning how you can download Destiny 2 onto your PC. So without wasting any further time, let's just jump right into the video. So first of all, what you are going to be doing is that simply head over to your browser of your choice, and once you are onto your browser, simply type in there Steam. And once you type Steam, you can see at the very first link it says welcome to Steam. You are going to be simply clicking on that, and now Steam is opened. Here you will be able to see that a lot of games are just popping up and you can simply purchase them. Also, you can see we have this search field on the top right side of our screen under wish list. Simply click on search, and in here you're going to be typing Destiny 2 and simply press enter onto your keyboard, and you can see at the very first place we have Destiny 2. Click on that, and now you can see Destiny 2 is just popping up. So you can see we have Destiny 2 available in here. Now we are going to be simply clicking on this play game option. So you can see it is completely free to play. You can simply click on free to play or play game option, and now you're going to be simply installing Steam onto your computer, and once it does, the downloading will be started and you can play this particular game. So you can see we also have this legacy collection packs and other additional as well. So yeah, that's how you can get Destiny 2 onto your PC. I really hope you found this video helpful. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching, and